Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to buy and store your first Bitcoin in Australia. If you've been curious about Bitcoin but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process, from setting up the basics to securely holding your Bitcoin, all in a way that is simple and safe. Let's get you set up for success, starting with just $100 so you can see how easy it is to jump into the world of crypto. Ready? Let's dive in. Create a new private email. First things first, you need a fresh email address just for your crypto adventures. I recommend using a secure service like ProtonMail, a privacy-focused option. Why does it matter? Security. You don't want to use your everyday Gmail or email tied to your social media. Crypto accounts can be targets for hackers, so keeping this email separate and private reduces your risk. Set it up with a strong, unique password and don't link it to anything else, like your Facebook or Instagram. This email is your crypto-only key, so treat it like a vault. Set up a crypto wallet. Next, you need a place to store your Bitcoin. A crypto wallet. Think of it like a digital bank account, but you're the only one with the keys. For beginners, there are two simple options to start with. A software wallet, like Trust Wallet or Exodus. It's free and easy to install on your phone or computer. Or, if you want extra security, you can buy a hardware wallet, sometimes called a cold wallet, like a Ledger Nano S or Trezor, which costs about $100 but keep your Bitcoin offline and super safe. Download the app or order your device. Follow the setup instructions and write down your recovery phrase. That's your backup, so keep it somewhere secure, like a locked drawer and not your phone. For full wallet guide, check out my other video and grab my free crypto wallet guide PDF linked below. Choose a reputable exchange platform. Now, let's pick a platform to buy and exchange Bitcoin. This is where you'll swap your Australian dollars for crypto, so it's gotta be legit. You don't want the taxman knocking on your door. Look for exchanges that are regulated, have a solid track record, and are based in Australia. They should be at least 7 years old, have an Australian business number ABN, and ideally, offer insurance for extra peace of mind. For Aussies, here are some top options. CoinSpot, Cointree, Independent Reserve, SwiftDex, or BTC Market. These platforms can generate tax reporting for the ATO, making your tax filing super easy. Pick one, head to their website, and sign up using that private email you just made. Complete the KYC process. Once you're registered, you need to verify your identity. This is called KYC, Know Your Customer. It's a legal requirement for legit exchanges in Australia to prevent fraud. You upload a photo ID like your driver license or passport and maybe a selfie or proof of address. Don't worry, it's standard stuff. Depending on the exchange, this can take anywhere from 2 hours to 10 days, so be patient. Once approved, you're ready to roll. Link your bank account and transfer funds. Time to add some cash. Link your Australian bank account to the exchange. It's usually under the deposit or funding section. Most exchanges like CoinSpot or BTC Market let you do this for free via bank transfer or Pay ID. Transfer $100 from your bank to the exchange. It might take a day or two to show up, depending on your bank, so sit tight. Once it's there, you see your funds in your exchange account, ready to turn into Bitcoin. Pro tip, find a crypto-friendly bank and avoid writing crypto Bitcoin in the reference field to prevent the bot from flagging or blocking your transaction, or worse, freezing your account. Australia's a bit behind when it comes to digital assets. Buy your first Bitcoin. Here's the fun part. On the exchange, find the buy or trade session. Select Bitcoin. Its symbol is BTC. And enter $100 as the amount. You'll see how much Bitcoin you're getting based on the current price. Double check everything, then hit buy. Boom! You just made your first crypto purchase. Transfer Bitcoin to your wallet. Let's get that Bitcoin off the exchange and into your wallet for safekeeping. Exchanges can be hacked, so storing your crypto in your own wallet is smarter. Go to the withdraw or send option on the exchange. Paste your wallet Bitcoin address. It's a long string of letters and numbers you'll find in your wallet app, and send your Bitcoin there. Double check the address. One typo and it's gone forever. That's why we're doing this test transaction, to learn how to buy and store crypto safely. Once you hit send, wait a bit, usually 10 to 30 minutes, and you'll see your Bitcoin arrive in your wallet. You are now in full control. Pro tip: if any platform doesn't let you withdraw your Bitcoin to your wallet, don't use it. You need to be able to get your coins off the exchange and have full custody in your own wallet. That account on the platform isn't a bank. You don't store crypto on an exchange. That's why we Bitcoin, to keep our wealth in our hands. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. Test the reverse. Transfer back to the exchange. Let's make sure you got this down. Send your Bitcoin back to the exchange to see how it works. In your wallet, find the send option. Enter the exchange Bitcoin deposit address. Check their site for this and transfer it back. Wait for it to show up on the exchange again, just like before. This step proves you can move your crypto both ways, which is key to understanding the process. So in the future, when you make a profit and need to sell, you know how to do it. Sell your Bitcoin back to dollars. Back on the exchange, let's turn that Bitcoin into cash. Go to the sell section, select Bitcoin and choose to sell it all, or just the $100 worth you started with. Confirm the sale and your account will show Australian dollars again. The price might have shifted a little, so don't be surprised if it's not exactly $100 anymore. Exchanges and transfer come with a small fees, and crypto prices move fast too. Withdraw dollars to your bank. Finally, let's get your money home. Head to the withdraw section, select AUD and send it back to your linked bank account. Most exchanges process this within a day or two, and there's usually no fee for bank transfers. Check your bank account after a couple of days, and you should see your $100 or close to it sitting there. Woohoo! Well done! You just completed the full crypto cycle! Yay! And there you have it. You have just bought, stored, and sold your first Bitcoin like a boss, baby. If you can do $100, you can do 100K or even 100 million. The process is the same. Expect 2 to 10 days start to finish, depending on the verification and bank times. If you're ready to invest a larger amount into crypto, I highly recommend joining my Ascension Crypto course. Recover multiple ways to invest safely based on your risk profile, customize your own investment strategy, and support you step by step on your crypto journey. But for now, start with this $100 test and get the hang of it. Now, go make it happen. Good luck!